What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you WhatsApp image not saving in gallery. How do you fix it? So, if you're having problems with using WhatsApp here and your images are not being saved, well, there are going to be a few things that you could try doing here. So first things first is you want to make sure that WhatsApp here is fully updated. Now sometimes there might be some bug or glitches with the app itself, so ensuring that you have the latest version can solve a lot of issues here. So in this case, you want to go open up Google Play Store here if you're using Android and search for WhatsApp Messenger and just click on the app itself and click on the update button if you do see one. Now wait for it to fully update, and when it's actually updated, you can go ahead and basically open it up and see if that actually solves your issue. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, well, in this case, the issue itself might be from your settings. So, at the top right of your screen, you have that three-dotted option or button. Go and click on it, and want to go to settings. Now, in your settings, you want to go ahead and look for the option here that says storage and data. Let's go and click on it. Now, from here, you want to go ahead and basically look for the media auto download section. Now, what you need to do is you want to make sure that you update the information or the settings for it. As you can see, when you use mobile data here, images would actually be automatically downloaded. Now, if you have this disabled, like for example, you've unselected photos here, well, in this case, media will not be saved if you're using your mobile data. So just make sure that photos is selected. Now, as well for Wi-Fi here, you want to make sure that photos is also selected. So if you unselected that, basically just turn it on. Click on the check box next to it to enable it and just click on OK. Now, if you're using or when you're roaming, you want to make sure that photos is also enabled here. But just keep in mind that the cost for roaming here might be a lot more pricier. Just keep that in mind. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel.